Hello students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 2, fun with numbers part 3. So now as you can see what they have asked us on this page, they have asked us top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Now in the last part we saw what is century. One century equal to 100 runs. So here you can see some players and their scores are given. So first one is Sachin. How many scores Sachin made? 128. Gavaskar 100. Dhoni 99. Kohli 162. Rahane 152. Dhawan 178, Jadeja 105, Ganguly 141, Dravid 112, Kapil Dev 127. These all are the scores of all the players. Now what we have to do, they have asked us some blanks. We have to answer them according to this scoreboard. What they have asked, the first question is Dhoni just missed his century. So Dhoni was going to make total 100 runs, but due to some, maybe he is not having the balls, so he is not able to complete his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Now if he want to make a century, already he, as you can see on the scoreboard, he made 99 runs. So to complete century, what we will do, century means total 100 runs. So from 100 we will subtract 99. So how many remains? 1. So one more run if he would have made, so we have complete the century. So like this, you will write down, and according to question you have to give the answer. Hence Dhoni missed his century by 1 run, because they have asked us how many runs did he need. So he need 1 run. Next is dash and dash scored almost equal run. Now who almost equal means nearly they have the difference of 1 runs. So as you can see here, Gavaskar made 100 and Dhoni made 99. So they have only difference of 1 run. So here we can write Gavaskar and Dhoni, and one more answer is suitable. Which one? You can see Sachin and Kapil Dev. Sachin made 128 runs and Kapil Dev made 127 runs. So again there is a difference of only 1 run. So this answer is also right. Next question is dash scored a complete century, no less no more. Means exact 100 runs who made? Gavaskar made exact 100 runs. So they have asked who scored complete century, so that is Gavaskar. Next is most runs scored by any batsman are, means most any who had made the highest score. So as you can see in the scoreboard, 178 runs are the highest. So who made that? Dhawan. So they have asked most runs scored by any batsman. So it is 78, and who scored it? Dhawan scored it. Next is dash and dash have a difference of just 1 runs between them. So as we saw in the second question, Gavaskar and Dhoni were having difference of 1 number, and even Sachin and Kapil Dev was having the difference of 1 run. So both the names will be suitable. Next is dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. 1.5 yani 1 century means 100, and what is half of 100? 50. Means who made 2 more runs than total 150 runs, means who has 152 runs here. So who is having? Rahane is having 152 runs. Let us go for the next page. What is given in this? Now as you can see here, this rabbit is climbing from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here it is finished. So how many he is skipping? He is doing in terms of, he counting of tens. As you can see, counting in tens is given. So counting in tens means whichever number is given, add 10 in that number and go on adding 10, 10, 10, you will get the next number. Now here it is 10. So if you do 10 plus 10, so you'll get 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. And 90 plus 10 is 100. Afterwards it is given 110. 110 plus 10 if you'll do, you will get 120. 120 plus 10 you will get 130. 130 plus 10 you will get 140. 140 plus 10 you will get 150. 150 plus 10 you will get 160. 160 plus 10 you will get 170. 170 plus 10 you will get 180. 190 and 200 they have already given. Next is 310. So 310 plus 10 is 320. 330 if you add 10, then 40, 50, 60, 370, 380, 390 and 400. Then here first is not given, but we have the second blank, it is given, that is 720. So if we are counting in tens, so before 20 what comes? 10. So it is 710. Then 20 is given, 730, 40, 750, 760, 770. Then 780 is given. So if you will add 10 in 780, you will get 790, and add 10, so you will get 800. Now counting in 50s, same way you have to do as you did in counting in tens. Here you will add 50 50, whichever is number given. 200, if you will add 50, you will get 250. Add 50, you will get 300. 300, you will add 50, you will get 350. Adding 50 in 350, you will get 400. If you add 50 in 400, you will get 450. And when you will add 50 more, you will get 500. Same way 550 is given, add 50, you will get 600. Adding 50 to 600, you will get 650. Add more 50, you will get 700. Add more 50, you will get 750. More 50 you will add, you will get 800. And last is adding 50, you will get 850. Now next question what they have asked us, how far can you go like this? So counting like this, in counting in tens or counting in 50s, how far you can go? So we can go on and on and on, because there is no end of this numbers. Means, as you know, the numbers are going on, it is infinite numbers, so it will continue like this. So there is no end of this numbers. Next is, what is the biggest number you can call out? We cannot call out any bigger number. If you see, if you write two numbers like 200 and 210, so 210 is the biggest number. But again, if I write 210 and 300, so the number changes, it becomes 300, the biggest number. So if the numbers are going on and on, so we cannot say which is the biggest number. So there is no biggest number, and hence we cannot call out that number. Now next is color the numbers. As you can see here, what they have given us, there are some numbers in this box, and here they have asked us, find these numbers in the above chart, color them. Now here this chart is given. Now here the numbers are given in words, and even some expanded forms are given. So you have to write it in the normal form, like in figure form. And we suppose this green is there, so 140 is given. So 140, wherever we find here in this box, you have to color that box in green, because this is green, it is in green color. Next is given here in, they have written here red. So we whatever we find this in the chart, we have to color it red, and whatever we found from this yellow, we have to color here the yellow. Now let us go with the first green. Now 140, 140, how we write 140? So where it is 140, so this you will color 140 in green. Next is 220, sorry 202, 202, 2. So 202 is given here. So color this in green. 261. So this you have to color in green. 800. So 800 you have to color in green. Now here they have given us 300 plus 70 plus 4. So what is the total? 300 comes on 100 place, 70 on tens place it will be 7, and 4 on ones place, so it will be 374. So number is 374. So again this you will do in green color. See, to do the expanded form there is also one more technique for 3-digit number. First make it 100, tens and ones column. Let us try the next one. 600. So 600 will be here in 100 place. 50 will be on tens place, means 5, and 6 will be on ones place. So the number becomes 656. So where do you find 656? Here. So this you will do in green color. Next is 5. So let us again draw this chart. Now 5, it is in ones place, so you will write in ones place. 15 tens place, you will write here 5. 100 in ones place means 1. So the number becomes 155. So this you will do again in green color. Now let us move ahead with next is red color. So red color 54. So find out the number 54 here. This is 54. So color this in red. 60. Again color this in red. Next is 195. So 195 is here. So color this in red. 555. So again this you will do in red. Now again 640 and 2. As I told you to write that in the boxes of T, H, T, O. So it will be easy. 600 means here on 100 place. 40 means on tens place, and 2 means on ones place. So the number becomes 642. So 642 again you will do this in red. 170 and 9. So 179 is here. So do it in red. Now here it is given HTO. So it is 800 and 800 plus 10. 800 means on 100 place 8 will come, and 1 will come on tens place. So there is nothing in ones place, so you will write 0. So the number will be 810. So color that in red. So here we completed our red box. Next color is yellow. So yellow 445. So 445 is where it is? Here it is. So color this in yellow. 16. 16. So color this again in yellow. 159. So 159 is here. Color this in yellow. Then 685. 685 is here. So color this in yellow. Next it is given 690 and 9. So in our that 110 frame, 6 we will write here, 99 we will write here, and 9. So the number is 699. So this again you will color in yellow. 70 plus 4 means 74. So color this. Where is 74? Yes, here it is. So color this in yellow. Now 190. So this is little bit tricky. So as you can see 100 place is not there, 90 and 80 is there. So what we will do, we will only make 2 columns. Now 90 and 80 both are on tens place, so add them first. So 90 plus 80 is total 170. 170 you will write 17 in tens column, and 1 is there in ones column. So it is number is 171. So 171 is here. So color this in yellow. So here I complete this part. I hope everybody understood what we learned today. Practice all these at home. Thank you, students.